Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Regularly cleaning your humidifier is essential to prevent mold. Empty the tank daily, and let it air dry. Weekly, clean the tank and other parts with a mix of 1 part white vinegar to 4 parts water. Rinse thoroughly to remove any vinegar residue. Use a brush for nooks and crannies. Replace filters as recommended by the manufacturer.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.